Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add column in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select your text. You have to apply column and dragging your mouse. I'll put these two pages column. Now select format option and select here column option. You can choose that two columns or three columns option. I'll add two columns and see this. Two column already added. If you want to add column whole document, simply click on this text and press Ctrl A from your keyboard and again select format option and select column. Again I will add two columns and select more option. Here you can change column line spacing 0. Also you can remove line between columns. I will apply and column two columns and simply select apply. And now see this whole document column already applied. Yeah, in this way you can add column a specific page or whole document. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.